part 5. So we're almost done. Uh, I did put the glitters on it. It's almost. Oh my god, I have a glitter. Look. It has glitter. Look, it has glitter. So let's do it. It has pretty. Let's remove the glitters on my face so it will not get on my eyes. I get the polygon. Ouch. Hmm. Okay, so